Investing in treasury bills or T-bills through Fidelity can be a straightforward process. First, you will need to create an account with Fidelity if you do not already have one. Visit their website and follow the prompts to sign up. Make sure to have your identification and financial information on hand, as you will need these to complete the registration. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the fixed income section on the Fidelity platform. Here, you can find various options for treasury bills. It is important to understand that T-bills are short-term government securities that mature in a year or less, making them a relatively low-risk investment. Review the available offerings, including their maturity dates and yields, to determine which T-bill aligns with your investment goals. After selecting a T-bill, you will need to decide how much you want to invest. T-bills are sold in increments of $1,000. Be sure to check the purchase and auction dates, as T-bills are typically purchased through competitive or non-competitive bidding at auction. Non-competitive bidding is recommended for those new to investing, as it guarantees you will receive the amount you wish to invest. Once you have made your selections and placed your order, monitor your investment through your Fidelity account. You will receive interest on your investment, which will be paid at maturity. Investing in T-bills is a secure way to diversify your portfolio, and with Fidelity's user-friendly platform, you can manage your investments with ease.